Hi guys, welcome back to my channel CxH, and today I'm going to be showing you about brush cleaning. I'm going to show you how to clean eye brushes, face brushes, and sponges. So let's just jump right in. You're going to need a bowl, and to the bowl I'm going to add some olive oil. It seems strange, but it's going to help keep your brushes really soft. And I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of that, followed by shampoo. Any shampoo will do. And you're going to want to add about 2 tablespoons of that. And conditioner, and this is also going to help keep your brushes soft, and I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of that as well. Basically, I like to treat my brushes the same way I treat my hair, minus the olive oil. I don't put olive oil in my hair, that would just be very strange. And I have this tool here, it's for cleaning your brushes. It slides onto your 2 fingers, and you can use the smaller parts to clean your eye brushes, and that more lined part on the bottom to clean bigger brushes. So basically I'll take my brush, I'll put in the mixture, which I also added water to it and before I mix it all together. So I dip my brush in there, and then I start to clean it off using the finger glove, and then I'll use my hand to just get rid of any excess soap, squeeze out the excess water, and voila, you have a clean, beautiful brush. Now just to do this about 70 more times, so let's just speed on through. Before and afters of cleaning these brushes, my gosh, what a difference. But we finally finished with our last brush, as you can see, and now I'm going to move on to cleaning my sponge. So I just basically get it a little bit wet, and then I'll put some shampoo right on it, and then I just really work that in through my hands. I'll really pulse it a lot of the times to really get the soap in there, to get all the product out. As you can see, there is a lot of product in there. I use that every single time I do my makeup, for my concealer or my foundation or both, no matter what, I'm using it. But anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna really keep working that in. It's gonna take a while. You have to keep rinsing it, putting a little more soap, rinse it some more. Now that we're all done with that, I'm gonna rinse it off. So I'll just keep pulsing in my hands under the running water, get rid of as much soap as possible. There's still a little bit of soap in it, but it's okay. I got majority out. 90% is gone. And it looks nice and clean. So lastly, for drying my brushes, I take a towel and I'll fold it in half, maybe 1 more time depending on the size of the counter that you have. And then I'll take the top bit of the towel and I'll start to roll it under about 1/4 of the way. And this is gonna create a little bit of a level up. So that way when you put your brushes down and they dry, none of that water is going to go up your ferrule of the brush, that metal part that you see right there. And then I'll fluff up the brushes a little bit, and then I'll lay them all out to dry. And I'll do the same thing with my eye brushes as well. And then my sponge I'll just put on the towel as well to let that dry out. It takes about a day or 2 for my brushes to dry. Sometimes I might go in again and rinse them off with a little more soap just to make sure none of the oil is on there in excess. And for any brushes with a spoolie, I'll just rinse them and then leave them to dry. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and got some tips and tricks. I'll see you guys all next time. Make sure to like up and subscribe. I upload every Thursday and Friday. Bye guys!